hotel, guys, which is this one. Yan siya, hotel. Hindi ko lang, the Zoo Eiffel, which is like 5 minutes or more than like, not more than 10 minutes to Eiffel Tower. We arrived now. Oh my god, this is really quite a small hotel, like
yeah.
Sobrang liit. Oh my god, careful. Oh, well, it's not bad. Door. Did I pronounce it right, darling? We are finally arrived here at France, Paris. From airport to the downtown. Actually, we are really staying here at the downtown. Yung pamasahe by taxi is 55 euro. And then it took us like 1 hour to travel from airport to downtown from this hotel. Main door. Ito na agad siya. Yan siya. Then yung luggage namin here. Actually, maliit siya pero malinis siya, guys. At saka parang newly renovated daw to siya eh. And the good thing in this hotel kasi malapit lang siya sa Eiffel Tower. And yeah, we have window here. May window tayo dito. Let's see, saan tayo naka... nasa other side lang tayo. We are here at Thai restaurant, guys. Actually, it's now around 9 p.m. now, and we're gonna have our first ever meal in Paris. Ang sarap, guys. Guys, good night. Hi guys, today is our first day here in Paris. Let's go, guys.